Windows are one of the most important features of your home. Not only do they let in natural light and provide a view of the outdoors, but they also play a significant role in energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Over time, however, windows can begin to show signs of wear and tear. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can help you maintain the beauty and functionality of your home. If you're in Lafayette and wondering whether it's time for a window replacement, here are some key signs to look out for. Drafts and temperature imbalance. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows may need replacing is drafts. If you feel cold air coming in through your windows during the winter or warm air entering in the summer, your windows are likely no longer providing a proper seal. This can cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, are more prone to drafts, so replacing them with energy-efficient windows can significantly improve your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If you find it difficult to open or close your windows, it may be time for a replacement. Over time, window frames can warp or swell due to weather conditions, moisture, and age. This can cause the windows to become stuck, difficult to operate, or unsafe. Sticking windows are not only an inconvenience, but they can also pose a safety risk, especially in an emergency situation. If the hardware or tracks are damaged beyond repair, a full window replacement is likely necessary. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows regularly for signs of visible damage. Cracked or broken glass, chipped frames, or decaying windowsills are all indicators that it's time to replace your windows. Moisture that seeps through cracks can cause wood frames to rot, which weakens the structural integrity of the window. In Lafayette, where humidity levels can fluctuate, wood frames are particularly susceptible to this kind of damage. If your windows show these types of issues, replacing them is the best way to avoid further damage and ensure the security and stability of your home. Increased energy bills. If you've noticed that your energy bills have been steadily increasing, it could be due to inefficient windows. Windows that are outdated or damaged may let heat escape in the winter and allow cool air to leak out in the summer. As a result, your heating and cooling systems have to work overtime to keep your home comfortable. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with better insulation can help reduce the strain on your HVAC system, resulting in lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Excessive noise. Living in Lafayette means you might experience the sounds of bustling streets or neighborhood activities. If you notice that outside noise is making its way into your home, it could be a sign that your windows need to be replaced. Older windows, particularly single-pane windows, don't offer much soundproofing. Newer windows, especially those with double or triple panes, are designed to block out noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. If you want to reduce noise pollution and create a more peaceful home, replacing your windows can make a significant difference. Condensation between window pane. If you've noticed condensation or fog between the panes of your windows, this is a clear sign of seal failure. Modern windows are designed with insulating gas between the panes, which helps to regulate temperature and improve energy efficiency. When the seal around these windows breaks, moisture can seep in and cause condensation to form. This is often a result of old or poorly installed windows, and once the seal is compromised, it's usually not possible to repair it. In such cases, replacing the window will restore its function and improve your home's insulation. Outdated appearance. Even if your windows aren't showing obvious signs of damage or failure, you might decide to replace them if your home's aesthetic has changed over time. Old, outdated windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and overall value. Replacing your windows with more modern options can not only enhance the appearance of your home but also increase its market value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to refresh your home's look, window replacement can be a worthwhile investment. Conclusion. Replacing your windows is an important decision that can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, such as drafts, difficulty operating the windows, visible damage, or increased energy bills, it may be time to consider a window replacement. In Lafayette, where the climate can be unpredictable, upgrading your windows can help you protect your home and make it more energy efficient, while enhancing its overall value and curb appeal. Don't wait until your windows fail completely. Take action and enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and beautiful home today.